everything, every good thing or bad thing has to come in it. This is my normal remark I pass on the concluding session. During these last 3 days, we had a dip in a sangam of education, entertainment, fellowship, and leisure. Friends, more than one delegate had come and told me during these last 3 days, and those are the senior delegates, senior in the sense that they must have attended many RRC, not only in chamber but other organizations also. They said that Yatin, as a president, you look very relaxed. And the entire credit goes to the team of Ashit and with the guidance of Mr. Krishna. They have taken a mindless care. And friends, there must be still something remaining, and your suggestions for that will be very important for us. I would like to call upon some of you and request you to come here and give your suggestions, because this suggestion will not only help us in this RRC, but the chamber is arranging more than 3 RRCs in a year, and more than 400 people take benefit of this, and this benefit will go to all of them. Thank you. First, I will request Pankaj Bhai, the president of STPM, to come forward and say a few words. Thank you, Pankaj, for attending this RRC, taking out the time from the busy schedule. Thank you.
Thank you, Udin Bhai. First, let me congratulate Indirect Tax Committee headed by Sri Ashit Shah and ISTEEM for successfully organizing this second RRC on service tax. All the papers were excellent, the speakers were experienced, and the venue and other arrangements were also excellent. I always, this is my second RRC on service tax, and because of there is a pressure of VAT audit also, I came to this RRC because I always see that the chamber is always taking hard work for organizing such RRC, and that tempted me to attend this RRC. And I also thank chamber for inviting me to express my views. Secondly, we also organized workshop along with the chamber, BCA WRC, that is starting from 18 January, and that will be on indirect tax, including service tax, VAT, and LBT. The LBT is important area of practice. So I request you to join this workshop. It will be held at Majgaon Syntax Library. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor. Anybody else would like to come and view directly? Please. Please introduce yourself so that everybody knows who's giving the suggestion.
Friends, myself Satish Bhu from Nasik. What I want to say is that our CTC, BCA and STPM, all organizations are always conducting RRC or NRRC. I would like to request to all the bodies to organize such events which should not overlap each other, so that we people can take enjoy and the participation in all of those. Because see, in the next month our STPM is organizing at Jaipur simultaneously RRC on direct taxes of the CTC is coming to Pondicherry. So these two eminent events are coming together, and we would like to share only one, and we are compelled to sacrifice the other. So I request honestly to all the bodies to keep distance between two such mega events. And friends, थोड़ा सा जाते जाते रिलैक्स कर दो आप लोगों को कि ये जो आरआरसी है इसके बारे में और ये 3 दिन में हमने क्या कमाया सबने, यानी हमारे ग्रुप लीडर्स, हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स and over and above our faculties. सूरज को मुट्ठी में कर लिया है हमने, अब हाथ जलने की बात कहाँ आई है? कानून की किसी भी धारा से असेसी को बचाने का हुनर सीख लिया है हमने। तूफान में कश्ती को उतारना सीख लिया है हमने, अब कश्ती डूबने का डर कहाँ है दोस्तों? हौसला इतना बुलंद है कि सागर को पीना सीख लिया है हमने, और जाते जाते कड़कड़ाती बिजली में घर में दुबक के बैठना आता नहीं है हमें, हम किसी बात से भी डरते नहीं है। और आज की इस आरआरसी के बेजोड़ कामयाबी से बिजली को अंगूठी का नगीना बना दिया है हमने। थैंक यू।
Friends, I would really like to compliment the organizers, especially the chairman, Mr. Ashish Shah, and Yatin, the president, who was a very dear friend, for organizing such a wonderful RRC. This is, I am a member of the chamber for the last more than 15-20 years, but this is my first RRC where I am attending organized by the chambers. Certain things which I really like and appreciate about the chamber was of course, it goes without saying that the venue, the faculty, the selection of speakers was absolutely excellent. But certain things that really came to my mind, I really appreciate is that at the time earlier, the time of each and every session was so particular that at not 8, today also 8, it was very early, I was not very early, but still at 8 o'clock, practically almost everyone was in their respective groups, the group leaders, the mentoring, everything had started. So I really appreciate that. And even those who were not there was someone who was ringing the bell, so sort of classic kind of atmosphere, but still, yes, people felt, yes, now they need to go back and be back in their group. So I really like that, and the best part was having a mentor along with the group leader, which was really the very good support to the group leader also, and he could balance everything wherever the group was digressing from the main subject. So I really appreciate it and congratulate for that. Just a couple of suggestions. One thing is paper was certainly very good, but I would suggest if you could, instead of using a glazed paper, if a normal paper is used, because writing with pencil marking on it is really not comfortable and using gel also. So it's one thing that I could give a suggestion. And second thing, for the group leaders today, after the group leaders, the GD was over, there was another session, the group leaders had gone to the paper writers for reporting. And when they returned, unfortunately there was no seats available for them in the front. They took search here and there, or maybe sit in the last also. So at least I think you should see that if the group leaders were doing such a good job, they have given a place in the front, at least in a way of recognition for their efforts. This is the only way to make suggestions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Yashwanta from Jaipur. This is my second RRC of CTC. I came last year to Gurgaon for the general RRC, and that was my first year of membership of CTC. And at that time, I decided whatever will happen, although my area of the subject is service tax, I just attended to get a feel what RRC is of general. And I said it last time also, and I'm saying it again on behalf of all those people who are in Jaipur. I like the concept, we tried to put that in Jaipur, and we're not only benefiting all those people who come here, but by applying that concept, we tried to do that in Jaipur, and we did it thrice in 1 year. And approximately 250 people were benefited outside the ICA grounds without having any study circle or anything, and all of us enjoyed it. So thank you so much. And one very good thing which I like here is that people here are so receptive that you can walk up to anybody, you can ask anything. To people like you are so small and we're like infants in the profession. It gives us huge courage to do whatever we want to do. And just one thing, I said it last year also, just good, better, best, never let it rest until your good is better and better is best. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next we have a rising star. We have an infant. Sridhar sir, would you like to say something? Say something. Parinbhai? Anybody else would like to suggest something? Please volunteer us.
We want Ashik Bhai to be a permanent chairman for us.
I don't mind making him chairman for all the 3 RRCs. Now I hand it over to the chairman to take the proceeding further. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. I will not take more time because I know that there is a lot of delay is there and lunch is waiting for us. Our president has said that in these 2 or 3 days RRC, we have learned a lot. So we have taken the education, We have done the entertainment by playing cricket and by dancing in the DJ yesterday night. And we have also done the leisure. So I have coined a word that in this 2.5 days, it's an edutainment thing. So with an education, there was an entertainment as well as leisure. So in this 2.5 days, it was an edutainment program which has been conducted by us. What we have done in this 2.5 days? We have gone through the group discussion wherein 32 main issues has been discussed. Apart from that 32 main issues, they have various sub-issues were there. And the group leaders and mentors have very well done their job. And the outcome is that there are numerous views which has been emerged and available to all the participants, and I am sure. And to add that, the paper writer has also added their views. And this is, I am sure, definitely that everyone who will now partake will carry them and cherish these memories. Now I would be failing in my duty that this such a grand success which I can foresee could not be possible, and therefore I must thank and congratulate to all of them. First and foremost to my managing council, my team, and the office bearers, my president, Yatin Bhai, my office bearers, Hitesh Bhai, Dinesh Bhai, Avinash, and all others. That without their support and encouragement, this could not be possible. Because this is the chamber has taken, as I have said in my opening remarks, that it is an endeavor of chamber that whenever anything new comes, they would take the first lead and to roll the thing, and that is how the first RRC was there, and consecutively now they have understood the importance of the subject, and now I think this should be a permanent feature. Next, my thank will go to my IDT team, whole IDT team, including our advisor, Mr. Krishnan, because without their support and their vision, it could not be possible. The whole program, including the selection of the paper, subject, or say a paper writer, everything has been designed by Mr. Krishnan and including the time frame. So, sir, I am very much thankful to you for the wonderfully and masterly designing the program.
Actually, let me correct. I think that wouldn't be true. That was a democratic decision by the entire direct committee. I only gave my input. I should be taking credit for the time. So it's the entire team. The only thing, the interaction with the speaker was restricted with me and Rajiv.
Yes. So, sir, the leader is always to get the
it's a committee decides the entire, what should be the content, what should be published, so I should be taking the entire. Okay. But okay, whatever the input I have given, also.
Thank you, sir. Third is to all the paper writers and paper presenters, they have spared the time, they have write the paper, because nowadays it becomes very difficult to write the paper, take out the time from the busy schedule, and the paper writer which are coming from Delhi as well as Bombay for just to attend to deliver for 2 hours or 3 hours. Really, sir, we are very much highly obliged to you, and we are looking forward to you in the future also. Next for these 3 days, these hotel people are serving the best services, whether you say food, right time on the tea, snacks, lunch, dinner, which has been provided to us by this Laguna Resort, and for that we have I would like to invite Mr. Sudhir Panda, who has provided us a very entirely services during these 3 days. I will ask Mr. Sudhir Panda to please come forward. सुधीर जी, आप कुछ बोलना चाहिए?
Very good afternoon to all my VIPs and all ladies and gentlemen. Actually, we are all trying to our best to give you best service and also the good food. So that's why we are trying to testing the food first, and our sir are also very cooperative. And it would be our pleasure if you coming again and again. And thanks a lot for us.
Now I request our President Yatin Bhai to felicitate Mr. Sudhir Panda.
Then another support is required from the administrative staff. All the printing of the booklet, distribution, then traveling arrangement, all the thing has to be groundwork, logistic arrangement, who has to do? It has to be done by our back office staff. And for that, I am really thankful to the whole staff of the CTC, Mr. Hitesh Bhai, Anand, yes sir, very much thankful to you for giving untiring support to us. And last but not least, my team, my Vice Chairman Pranav Kapadia, my coordinator Alok, and Narendra Soni for doing the best and good. Now, I think it's time to part. If knowingly or unknowingly, if I have been hurting you in this past 3 days, then please apologize and pardon me. And really thankful to all of you for giving a patient hearing in all these 3 days, giving your full support. And thank you very much. Ramdas, I think.
You want to have the last word?
Last.
Last.
Friends, Ashit has thanked everybody, but I think it is our bounden duty to thank Ashit for organizing